So dear friends, as I have told you, given you the basic insight into the website part of the things, now let us move towards the technical part of the program, our Astrometrica. So I have given you a brief insight that this Astrometrica is present over the desktop. But nonetheless, if you are not comfortable with finding out the Astrometrica on the desktop, by chance it is not there, you just browse through the disk drive in which that Astrometrica was being installed. There, for example, for my laptop, it's installed in the local disk C drive. Here it comes the folder Astrometrica. You just double click over it and left click, and then astrometrica.exe, the application file is there. You can also directly start Astrometrica from here also. As it is unregistered, don't worry, you just click over continue, and over this continue, this Astrometrica, it will load. So let's now wait for a few seconds, the time that will be taken up by this software to load the entire data. Now here, this Astrometrica has started, and this is the first look as that I wanted to tell you about of the Astrometrica. So there are two basically things that are very important that you have to master. And if you do, the citizen scientist will make very important measurements of the near Earth objects, and they may also discover sometimes main-built asteroid also. First one is, you should be very much able to use Astrometrica to conduct a manual search. And second one is, you should be able to distinguish between true and false signatures of moving objects. The signature, in this sense, they refer to the characteristics. It is not all the moving objects are asteroids. So number one, you should be able to identify with the help of a manual search that what the moving objects are. And second one is that if you have found out a moving object, then you have to analyze it on the basis of the parameters, that whether the moving object that I have selected, if it is an asteroid, whether it belongs to the category of near Earth object or not. Not everything that glitters is gold. On the same manner, everything that moves is not a moving object. Everything that is moving is not an asteroid also. So once you have Astrometrica set up and it's running on your computer, it will take, I assure you, it will take only 2 hours for you to master both the two tasks that I have told to you, and they are not difficult also. But be prepared mentally and give a bit, you can say, first couple of hours dedicated to it, and then the entire campaign is yours. I will be talking in detail about the true and the false characteristics of the objects, but let me explain to you a bit about the basics of this Astrometrica at the first hand. So the next part that I will be explaining to you is the Astrometrica setup in totality.